So, a very good morning, traders. This is Rahul Prajapati, and I welcome you all for the morning market brief. So, let's start our analysis with the market first. So, if we go directly to the Nifty, so as we can see, the SGX is showing another gap up of like 50-60 points, right? It was 100 points, now it is trading somewhere around 60-70, right? So, uh, we have seen that Nifty have shown a good upside move from last 2 weeks. It's almost like 1500 points, more than 1500 points, right? And right now, if we see, we can see that market is might be facing a resistance around 17,500 on the lower side. 17,000. This gap is a good support. So any dip in the market could be a good buying opportunity as of now, because market has just gave a breakout above this downtrending channel. It is the bias of the market is on the higher side as of now, right? If we check the OI data specifically, though, it is clearly showing that market is actually uh, showing most of the things on the line, buying side specifically. So the this long continuous long actually showing that there are a lot of participation is there, but on the only on the long side. We haven't seen a short from last 10 days approximately, right? So the trend is a bit on the higher side. We can see now, if we see and check Nifty. So Nifty might face resistance in 17,500 downside. 17,000 a good support. We can see that huge addition happened on the put side on 17,000. 17,300 also added a lot of almost 90% addition happened in the last trading session only. So 17,300 could be again very good support. Immediate support we can say, and the vital support would be on 17,000. Resistance is 17,500 and 18,000 on the higher side. So these are the levels we can expect from Nifty. Let's move to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also trading, near the resistance level as of now, but on the higher side, we can see 37,000 is the immediate resistance. Bank Nifty seems to be positive again. So any dip towards like 36,000 could be another good buying opportunity in the Bank Nifty also. If you go and check the OI data, so that's again showing a positive sign also. Last two trading session, we can see short covering happening, but still the structure looks positive for Bank Nifty. Now you can see on the higher side, 37,000 where market can face resistance. Good addition on the call side, almost like 80% happened in the last trading session. On the put side, 36,000, a good addition, and 36,500 might be showing a straddle addition. So all put both has been sold on this strike price specifically. Okay, so that's Bank Nifty. Now let's move to the gainer and loser. So in the last trading session, we can see trend moved up. Coromandel, LNTFH, these are the three stocks top gainers. Top losers, ABB, Lal Path Lab, and Apollo Hospital. These are the three stocks. Top loser. Index contribution. Most of the stock sectors are shows a positive addition, except IT. Now let's move to the built up. So if we see built up, reality, media, and infra, three major sectors are showing a a long built up. No shorts built up specifically. IT is showing a bit of unwinding specifically. Okay. Now let's move to the stocks. Okay. So our first stock is Abuja Cement. Reason being, first let's check this OI. So if we see the structure of the stock, it was completely, in a downtrend since 355, 360 levels. And then stock is consolidating. It went up. Bit of short covering happened in the last trading session. We have seen a short again. And that's again, we have seen increase in these shorts. Now, if you see the chart here, so stock might be facing resistance around 310 level. Okay. And the last trading session is shows a weakness. So if we go and check the OI levels for Ambuja, we might be taking a contra entry against the market, but the structure looks weak. So if we see the 300 put haven't added a lot of shares specifically. So if the stock breaks 300 level again, we can see the stock can slip easily towards 280 levels, right? On the higher side, 310, 320 could be working as a resistance level, right? So the structure for this stock looks weak. Now the second stock is Ashok Leyland. Based on the same thing, here the stock has started showing a good of addition on the higher side, right? In the last trading session, we have seen unwinding happening. So if we go with Ashok Leyland, okay, the stock has given a breakout and then again sustaining on that level also. If we see the intraday chart here, now you can see the stock has given a breakout. Again, it tested these levels. Okay. Now the stock showing a better move. Looks like good move, right? Okay. So if we go and check the OI level, or so 115 is the resistance, immediate resistance we can see. So if that breaks 120, 125 level can be expected easily. 110 could be a good support for this stock, right? Or probably like 105 we go, because the highest seems to be on 105. Okay, so 105 could be a good level. Okay, so Ashok Leyland is positive. The Ambuja Cements look weak. So these are the two stocks, right? If you go on the check on the ban list, so India Bulls Housing Finance is the stock which we can see trading in a ban list, right? Okay, let's quickly summarize this thing. So for Nifty, 17,500, the level on the higher side. 17,000 is a good support. For Bank Nifty, 1,000 points range, 37,000, 36,000. Long built up specifically realty, media and infra. No short built up in any sector, right? IT stocks shows a bit of unwinding. Okay. Abuja Cement look weak, so below 300 we can go and create a short position. 320 is a resistance. Ashok Leyland looks positive, so above 115, it's positive, right? And 110 and 105 could be a good support for this stock, right? Ban list Ambuja Cement, the only stock which is trading in a ban list as of now. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again. Thanks for tuning into pre-market analysis. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much.